American of Martinsville has been in the furniture business since 1905, and during that almost 90 years there have been many changes in our industry and in technology. And today American is one of the few companies that concentrates solely on the contract industry. We manufacture furniture for the hospitality markets, the healthcare markets, government and institutional markets. Our upholstery operation is the best kept secret in the furniture industry. As long as we've been making case goods for the commercial and contract market, we've also been making upholstery, and we've had a separate upholstery facility. We've recently expanded that facility and will continue to expand it until it gets to the level of volume as our case goods. American, for whatever reason, has been known as a case goods company, when in fact we really are a premier manufacturer of upholstered furniture as well. One of the strongest things we offer as a company is we really understand this business. Since 1905, we've served virtually every kind of contract customer, and we understand the key drivers in this business. We understand durability, both the durability of the structural frame, but also the durability of the finish and a piece of furniture as a whole. We understand on-time delivery. We understand the penalties that our customers are apprised of when they aren't on time, and we're here to support them. In addition to having the broadest product line within the industry, we've also developed the capabilities on our factory floor to create custom product. We can modify product to meet particular needs. For example, we can change the shape of arms, we can change the density of foam, we can make dimensional changes, and we can create from scratch exactly what a designer or an end user might require for a specific job. American of Martinsville controls virtually all aspects of the manufacturing process. Because we've been in the case goods and wood furniture business since 1905 as well, we understand woodworking, and we've been able to ensure the quality of our frames by manufacturing those parts along with the economies of scale that our case goods operation afford us. Over the years, we've developed a very durable construction, primarily a solid hardwood frame where all joints are screwed and double doweled for reinforcement. But recently there's been a new development in that we've been able to take some of the woodworking technology and actually make frames out of hardwood plywood. It's allowed us to make the same frame with fewer parts, as many as 40% fewer parts. And oftentimes an assembly that required 3 or 4 parts previously can be cut out of one sheet of plywood, and therefore there are no weak joints that have to be reinforced. All of our frames are tested to pass the GSA heavy-duty rating, and this is a quantifiable test. It's the only test that I'm aware of that specifically gets at the durability for institutional use. And we have the largest selection of frames that have a heavy-duty rating by the General Services Administration. There's no question that we overbuild our furniture. It's just part of our philosophy and not wanting any problems and not wanting our customer to have any problems. And so we overkill. But that's part of the attraction, I think, to American of Martinsville, is that you know you're not going to have any problems. And if there is a problem, we take care of it right away, no questions asked. In reference to durability, one of the first things that comes to mind is the integrity of the frame, which we've addressed. However, there's also the foam and the cushioning materials, which we also engineer to take a heavy-duty situation, but also are engineered so there's comfort there as well, and that's a difficult trade-off. Our fabrics are selected for durability as well, and abrasion resistance. Our thread is even selected in the number of stitches per inch so that the sewing is up to a standard for institutional use. The fabrics are also selected for flame retardancy. We can meet the fire codes as they are written for various parts of the United States, but also the rest of the world. By design, we produce the best sofa sleepers in the industry. And any piece of furniture that moves is going to eventually cause trouble. And so one of the things that we've realized over the years is that you have to take extra precautions when building sofa sleepers. In addition to the foundation or the frame that's consistent with our stationary furniture, We've shopped around for the absolutely best and most durable mechanism and a complementary mattress. The mechanism has been specifically selected for heavy-duty use, and we've shopped all over to find the best mechanism in regards to durability and comfort. We want a mechanism where the foot and the head tube is an extra heavy gauge of steel, where the shoulder rivets are of high quality, where the link spring is not going to break, and where it's going to offer superior comfort. The mechanism itself is designed with a cavity that's deeper than the mattress, so that bedding can be folded up into the mechanism with undue stress and not affect the durability and performance of the mechanism over a long period of time. Also, for comfort, the mechanism is extra long so that even tall people can have a comfortable night's sleep. We've got a TV headrest that tilts, and with that feature, it also affords for the easy tilt of the sofa sleeper itself for cleaning accessibility. In a commercial environment, we know that the mechanisms are going to be treated roughly, in fact, even used as a trampoline. We've worked with our mechanism supplier to develop an anti-tilt aspect for the mechanism, so in the foot tube area, if someone is standing or even jumping, that mechanism isn't going to collapse or tilt up, and greatly reduces the possibility of an injury or an accident. Our sofa sleepers not only look good, but we know that they're going to be used extensively, and they're made to be used extensively. We like to say that the sofa sleeper sits like a sofa, but sleeps like a bed. In the university environment, a real concern is the security of the seat cushions, and they have a tendency to disappear. And we've developed a patentable and unique system in which the seat cushions are locked in place along with the seat back. And upon unlocking, they can be removed, and the actual fabric is Velcroed to the cushions. So if there is an accident or a burn or a tear, the seat cushions or seat back can easily be replaced. This is a real nice example of the creativity of our engineers at American of Martinsville in working with our customers and identifying a need and a problem and helping our customers solve it. AOM has a real strength in its finishing technology because of the fact that we're in the case goods business, and we understand finishing like a case goods manufacturer, unlike someone who has an unsophisticated finishing room just for an upholstery operation. All of our finishes go through a number of steps, including sanding, filling, and then finally a buildup of a top coat for durability and protection. We also have the capabilities of matching our finishes to our inline groups and doing a whole package where the finish is continuous through the room scheme. A number of years ago, we recognized our environmental responsibility and started working towards finishes that were much more environmentally friendly. And with our partner, Guardsman, we have now developed a totally waterborne finish to reduce the volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, that we emit by almost 50%. And in addition to being an environmentally friendly finish, it's also a more durable finish than the nitrocellulose lacquers that have been traditionally used on chairs. We talked briefly about our environmental awareness and our state-of-the-art finishing as it relates to the environment, but we also have recently switched our packaging materials so that they are both biodegradable and recyclable. Part of American's strength is not only being a diversified and larger company itself, but also comes from being part of Ladd Furniture Inc., which is a Fortune 500 company in the furniture business. We have 13 sister companies that we can draw on for expertise and ideas, and we also have the financial stability to extend warranties, to have leasing programs funded internally, and to stand behind our promises. We're really proud of our facility here in Martinsville. There's over 1 million square feet of manufacturing space, and we invite and want our customers to come here and see not only our $20+ million investment in state-of-the-art equipment, but the great people that run American of Martinsville and the wealth of talent we have to address their specific needs and problems and deliver solutions. They can count on American of Martinsville, and they can see that firsthand when they come and visit us.